CELPIP has a feature called spell check. You heard it right. In the real CELPIP exam, if you have made a spelling error in any of the writing tasks, your mistake, again I'm repeating, if it's a spelling mistake, it will be highlighted, below the word. There will be a red line, and you can realize that you have made a spelling mistake. Now, is it helpful? Definitely yes. What should you do? Obviously, you should replace that word with a different word. For example, let's say the word is considerate, but you're not sure about the spelling. Then you write a simpler synonym like kind, So obviously, it's an amazing feature, especially for students who are not very confident with their spelling. I would also like to point out that this is limited only and only to spelling mistakes, which means if there is a mistake in the context, for example, there, they are, THERE, THEIR, then such mistakes will not be highlighted. Nonetheless, even like without such mistakes being highlighted, I think it's a fantastic feature and it's very valuable. And it's a bit surprising also that it's there in the real test, but it is what it is. So does this make the CELPIP writing test easier? Definitely it does. But I would also like to point out that we should not compare tests in totality, which means, is CELPIP easier than PT? Is CELPIP easier than IELTS? There is no single test which is totally easy. There is no single test which is completely hard either. Every test has its own unique features which makes it more accessible to some people and not to everyone. So you need to attend a demo class first, which you can with us. It's totally free. And then you can see a proper comparison of CELPIP with PT and LanguageCert and IELTS. And then you can decide and make up your mind. A lot of people also feel that for a superior score in CELPIP, you need 12 out of 12 bands, which is totally unachievable. No, that's not true. Many people also have a misconception that even if you make a single mistake in grammar or a single mistake in spelling, then you can't achieve a superior score in CELPIP writing. That is also not true. Remember, your quality of writing is more important than the quantity of words or anything else. So your task response, your listenability of the task, these are some of the parameters which CELPIP holds very dear to itself, and the evaluators are very concerned about these parameters. So CELPIP spell check is an amazing thing, and definitely it's very valuable. If you're looking for any preparation classes for CELPIP, we do provide online classes worldwide, and we are the official channel partner of CELPIP in Australia. So you can also book your official CELPIP test at a slightly discounted price with us at A1 Australia Education Group and mockmaster.ai. For any inquiries, make sure you call us today. Our number is 0401 616 524. Good luck. I'm Malcolm.